This is your girl Zesta, and I am back with another video. I look a hot mess, y'all. It seemed like I just got my hair done, and now it's time for me to damn near take it down for real. I'm gonna take it down, and I'm gonna do something else to it. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it, but I don't know. But anyways, this is gonna be a vlog or something like that. But I'm gonna take the kids to I'm gonna walk them to the bus stop, and then I have to wash clothes, fold some clothes up, do some other stuff. So today, just take you in my life, let you get to know me a little bit more, get to know what I do. The kids getting ready right now for school. It's like 5 something in the morning. Audrey she have to basically be at the bus stop around 7 o'clock, something like that, 7-ish. But yeah.
You don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart, we can take it slow, you know it.
Hey, you guys.
Hi. I made this shirt, by the way, just to throw that in there.
So I'm taking Audrey, I'm walking Audrey to the bus stop. I think I'm the only teen mom who takes their teen to the bus stop without my teen get mad, okay? She doesn't get mad. I don't know. I guess it's a good early morning walk, exercise or whatever. But yeah, she's about to get to school. Yes. No, just no. I'm playing. She says, "Well, you offended?"
Yeah.
Oh, dang. That's hilarious. How many of you moms can relate? Okay, so, man, my arms hurt. Dang, yo. Okay, so.
What time is it?
I don't know. But I'll get back with you guys in just a second. Once this girl getting on the bus.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so I made it back home. And I have 3 more kids to put on the bus. And then I'm free from there. I'm a free agent. Holla at me. Holla at your girl. I'm just playing for real. For real. Oh, this is what I come back. You gotta use the bathroom? Yeah. Okay. The kids are basically just watching TV. I'm about to do Jasmine hair real quick. Just put a couple braids in there. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to do her hair real quick.
Got it all, babe. Say vamps when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Say vamps when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm
washing the dishes before the girls go on break.
Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow, you know it. Go ahead and tell your friends, talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe, safe.
I'm back home. I put everybody on the bus. Like, everybody is dropped off. I'm gonna take these glasses off. Kind of look weird with them, but I have to wear them for my eyesight. But anyways, like, I'm about to eat because I'm hungry, and then I'm washing clothes and probably fold up some clothes. But I'm gonna put this up here.
Take it to the next level.
Check my phone because people call me left and right. I actually have some ribs. I have some ribs that I had made the other day. Well, yesterday. Yeah. So I'm done eating and everything. I'm about to go. Well, I'm coming upstairs and I'm about to wash some clothes. In my laundry room. Okay, so I'm about to wash some, not wash, but I'm about to fold up these clothes. We did the laundry. I'm finished with that. I do still have more laundry to go, more clothes to wash basically, but anywho, hold on you guys, I am hot. Okay, so I have to basically email somebody back, and I did want to talk to you guys about first I'm gonna actually chat with you guys because I haven't chatted with you guys in a minute. But you guys, I had posted a video a while back, probably like a month ago or something like that, and it was about moving. It was about me moving, me and the kids moving. But you guys, there has been some changes. Well, I had came to a conclusion that we won't be moving. We will not be moving at all. It's just, it's hard to find a house these days due to COVID and everything. It's just hard, you know, and I'd rather for the kids to be stable. Kids have, you know, just school was coming up, you know, at the time. I fell asleep. I went sleep on it and everything, and I had woke up and decided, nope, we're not moving. Another thing, I just been basically working a little bit. I've been working in the salon, trying to build up my clientele. Yeah, so, and that's basically, oh yeah, and I've been having car trouble. I had to get a new battery and everything, but hopefully by next week or the week after, I'll be up and running. You know what I'm saying? Because I have some things to get done, okay, outside of this house. So therefore, I'm just being patient and, you know, just doing what I can do until I can get where I can get, or do what I can do. But y'all, like, I hope you guys like this day in the life with me.
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where
I'm back. So kids got out of school and everything. Came in, did homework, and I had made some chicken tacos. And now the only one that's down here is Audrey L. For some reason, everybody else fell asleep on me. We're supposed to pray before bed, but everybody else fell asleep. After they ate, they ran straight upstairs. Okay, but I'm down here watching Wild 'N Out.
then, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say.